Hi, this is Rob Odell. I'm a reporter for the Arizona Republic. I sat in on cases in juvenile court today involving juvenile dependency. The judge did not admonish or even take notice of anyone who was in the courtroom.
For the second hearing with Judge Padilla, he did not ask for any introductions. There was a mother and a father for that hearing. He did stop briefly when the bailiff whispered something to him. She had been aware earlier, as word was spreading through the courtrooms, that we were here observing the cases. And then after that, he gave a very brief warning. It was not a full admonition. It read something along the lines of, there was, quote, confidential information not to be disclosed. Quote, general information is just fine.
I spent some time on the third floor in courtroom number 7, which is overseen by Commissioner Eartha Washington. Watched 4 or 5 cases in there, and what I saw was really an open courtroom. Commissioner Washington didn't ask at any point, why I was there, who I was, who I worked for, or why I was taking notes.
Just spent the morning in hearings in Judge Karen Mullins' courtroom. She had 7 total cases. It was all fit in with about 4 hearings. Was not asked once who I was not admonished not to divulge personally identifiable information.
The most interesting part to me was the parents who were actually successful in getting their children back. In both of the cases that I saw, the parents were congratulated, and in one of the cases, the caseworkers and most of the people in court stood up and clapped, and then the judge actually gave him a stuffed animal for his child.
There were other heartbreaking cases. There was one where there were 2 fathers on the phone from jail, but the mother was nowhere to be found for these children. And one father volunteered to give up his rights so that the children could stay together with the other father's family.
In another case, the attorney for a teenager read a letter to the judge written by the teen. The young girl implored the judge to do what he can to try and reunite her with her sister,